Hello everyone, welcome to our fourth video of our Golang series, right? In the third tutorial, we have discussed about all the related things with Go related variables, right? In here, if we want to print the type of this variable, right? What is the type of this variable? We can simply print the type here, right? If you are not in the last video, please look into that one because this part is related to that one, right? Otherwise these things you haven't get, right? Print learn, right? There is a package called reflect, right? Reflect dot then I will get the type of A. Okay, type of A, right? I will run this one. Now in here you can see this is a string value, right? After the ChamiViews, it print as string, right? Then this this A type was what? String, right? Same thing we can do for other as well, right? Like I'll add the new line here. Now you can separately identify this one, right? And then I will print the type of B and C as well. I will copy this one and type of B and type of C. Right, and I will add a new line as it. Now you can see it is int, right? That's the way if you want to print the type of the variable, right? You can use that one as it, right? Okay, today's topic was that constant, right? This thing is very important for Go developers, right? Go support constant of characters, string, boolean, and numeric values, right? We can simply define the constant, right? Like in this way. We have a keyword called const, right? Then the variable name, and then we can add anything here, right? ChamiViews, right? In here we can define the constant, but we haven't used that one, right? If we run this one, there is no any error, right? We can define the constant, but we can't define the variables without using that one, right? We have learned that one in the previous one, right? But constant we can define without using that one, right? Now I will, if I want to use this one, we can simply use this, right? Now you can get the output as ChamiViews, right? In here, if we want to define the type, right, we can put this one as well, like this way, right? This is the way defining the constant, right? Const keyword we should add, and then the variable name, right? We can put any variable name like this one, right? And then type of that variable, and we can assign the value, right? If we want to see that variable type here, we can do that one, reflect dot type of channel, right? This is the way that we can use to print the type of that variable, right? In here you can see this is a string value, right? This is the way that we can define the global variables, right? And another thing was that I will create this is the global constant value, right? It means that every function can use this one, right? I can create a local constant value as well, right? Like const n equal this one, right? We can put anything. This is a what? Local constant value, right? Then I will print the fmt dot println reflect dot type of n, right? I will see what is the type of n, right? In here you can see this is int, right? I will increase the zeros here till this is a int value, right? Then I will create another constant, right? Const d, right? Then I will divide this one. I will add the big number here, right? 3e20, right? Then it means that what? 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 20, right? Then divided by 8. Okay, then what's the value of d? I will print fmt.println d. It get this as output, right? In here I will print the type as cell. You can get the type as cell, right? reflect dot type of d. We can print the type. It means what is the type? Plot 64, right? Type of the d. Okay, type of n is what? Integer, right? Okay, then I will put this on. If I want to cast the value, right? fmt.println that value of d, now type of d was plot 64. No? If I want to cast that one to the int, right? We can simply add like in this way, right? I will show this one in like in this way. I will create another variable const n, right, equals int 64 p, right? Then I will n has already created here, right? I will add m. Now I will print the fmt.println m here, right? And also I will print the fmt.println reflect dot type of m, right? When we are using the reflect, we want to import this one, right? This is very important, right? Like we did in the fmt, right? Let's run this one and see the output. What is the type of m? now it's int 64 because we have converted that plot 64 to int 64, right? Okay. Then another thing was that if we have defined the const variable, can we update that one? We can't update this one, right? What is the error? Cannot assign to it, right? Right, this we can't assign any value to here, right? I will let as plot deposit in here. What's the thing? Cannot assign to d because these are constant values. We can't assign, update the values, right? After defining that one, right? This is very important thing. And this another example, like if we want to get the sign value of this n, right? How we can do that one? There's package called math, right? Math dot sign, right? Sign. In here, what is the expectation of this one? It expects the plot value here, right? X should be a plot value, plot 64 value. But now n is what? What is the type of n? Type of n is int, right? I will try to add this integer type to here, right? It automatically added, right? Right? This is a very important thing in Go, right? A number can be given a type by using it in a context that requires one, right? Such as variable assignment or function call, right? As an example, in the math.sign expect plot 64 value, but if we have provided the int here, right? This is a very important thing, right? It will identify the context and then it converted to the relevant type, right? This is a very important thing. Yeah. Okay, these are the things that I want to mention in here, right? We have discussed about the constant related things, right? We can define the global constants and as the local constants as well, right? And also another important thing is that constant can't be updated, and using the reflect package we can define print the type of that variable, right? Those are very important things. Please more practice on these things, right? If you have any questions, please put those things to our comment section, right? I am really happy to answer those questions, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel and please share with those things with your friends. We will meet in the next video, right? Thank you. Bye.